Let's now start wrapping up the market action for the day, and it's a familiar script now. Any rally is getting sold into. Today we had just one, the opening rally, and after that, that was sold into. So from 17,030 thereabout, the Nifty lost almost 200 points. On the Bank Nifty, we lost a good 500 points from the top, and that on expiry day tells you the kind of money people would have made on the short trade in today's trade. In terms of index stocks, it was across the board. Asian Paints was the top loser, down 5%. IT stocks were weak. Tech Mahindra, Wipro, excuse me, TCS were all down. Financials joined in. Kotak Mahindra Bank, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, ICICI, HDFC Bank were all weak in trade. Autos, Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, they have been seeing some profit taking off late, so they were down as well. Maruti as well included in that. Adani Ports was a bit lower, though did manage to come back towards the end. On the upside, commodity names, ONGC, Hindalco, Shree Cement, Tata Steel, they did well. Cipla has been making new all-time highs, that did well. Dr. Reddy's made a bit of a comeback, that's doing well. ITC was a strong stock today. It's corrected a bit over the last couple of days, around about 5.5%, but today it was higher. And Apollo Hospitals, Sun Pharma, more healthcare names basically. Tata Motors sort of bucked the trend in autos, and IndusInd bucked the trend in the financials. But overall, nothing kind of session, you have to say. Though I must say that the broader market didn't look that bad. In fact, on margin, the broader market was actually positive, Prashant.
Yeah, I mean, 1,250 stocks were higher, and about 900 stocks, a little over that, were lower. So market breadth was positive. Tata Chemicals ended up about 4.5%, was up 7-8% earlier, but still strong close. Zomato was up 6.5%, 62 on the name. PVR was up 6%, 1760 on PVR. Mazgaon Dock 8% higher, 464. Sun Pharma Advanced Research, that is Spark, up 13.5%, 228. Abbott India was up 6%. There was Century Enka about 11% higher. Rights India was up 8%, 325. Bharat Dynamics, actually a fair bit of these defense names did well. I mentioned Mazgaon earlier, Bharat Dynamics, another one. All cargo logistics 5% higher. Again, only large volume names I'm mentioning here. Chemcon was, of course, we highlighted that name, 8%, 452. Dish TV 9% higher. Union Bank 4.5%. And actually, it's a pretty decent session for broader markets. Bank of India was higher. Mahindra Logistics went up about 5%. McLeod Russell was up decently, about 5%. Suven Pharma was up 8%. So many names doing just absolutely fine. Let me just highlight a few losers as well, broader markets. So Mindtree 3.5 lower today. Deepak Nitrite, of course, was down sharply. Aarti Industries is something we highlighted with Nimesh with that Morgan downgrade. Adani Transmission was down 6.5%. Lal Pathlabs 4% lower. DB Realty down 4%. Bajaj Hindustan down 4%. Intellect Design down 4.5%. ITI down about 5%. And a bunch more. But I think I've kind of gone through the list of the majority of the volume-led losers in trade. All in all, I mean, 15 points lower on the Nifty, so it's absolutely flat on an index of 16,850. So that's the end of the expiry, and of course, tomorrow we come back with a new series. Well, it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell.